Okay.
See the pipe coming out of the wall? That goes into the fireplace and up through the bottom of the fireplace. This is coming out, going to the outside of the house. We have to trim through, we have to cut through the one floor joist to get to the other side because we can't go straight out because our front stoop of the house is there. So we have to go next to the front stoop, which is the next joist over. So we have to cut a little hole in the wall. Or floor joist or whatever you want to call it. So that's what we're busy doing right now. We started on it last night, but it's not easy. So
What's not easy? Making the hole in the wall?
yes, because we have to do a lot of chiseling and sawing, and we don't want to cut too much away. We don't want to weaken the joist too much.
Okay.
Because then we have to put a support brace on it too. So. Using all kinds of fun tools. We have an oscillating saw, and we have a sawzall, and we have a wood chisel and a hammer, and we're having a great time. It's always fun to wreck stuff, but unfortunately, I don't want to do it to your house. And we have a little piece of pipe here. We got to check to see if we're getting through or not. You know, we have to cut away, and so we don't cut too much. Now we're gonna have to trim. Wow.
Oh, looks like it's almost good to go.
Almost. We're gonna cut that, cut and roll on the top and around the side there. So let's use the sawzall.
Okay. Do a little more cutting. Where's the sawzall? Oh, it's down there.
We're glad they have cords. I can always get them.
Like it's big enough. Almost. You still have to do some measuring here. It's a little strange because you have to cut it at an angle, right? Since the pipe has to go in at an angle.
Just a little bit off the top.
Just a little bit off the top. Okay. That looks like it fits.
Not quite.
Not quite. Still got a little more cutting to do.
Let's say we have a way more cutting to do.
Oh, a lot more cutting to do. Okay. All right, then. I guess Mike will
We gotta
continue
cut that.
cutting. We need to chisel off a little more to make sure that pipe fits. So he's gonna keep doing that.
Time for lunch.
Oh, and it's time for lunch. That is correct. We'll see you
See
later.
if we can trim that edge off. Reposition the lid.